Okay, let's have fun. I'm out here screwing around with the Wiral LITE, and I attached my dash cam to it with some tape. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Just let that baby go. Where it goes, only God knows. If I can hang out here without falling off the cliff. Okay, and I believe it reached its end point. Let's bring her back. This is max slow speed, not time lapse, just slow speed. Okay, and it comes to a stop on its own before the end block there, and I'm tied off to a tree and then wrapped around a tree at the other end. Let's try sport mode and see how it does. Get a little closer here because it's going to be out of my view in no time. Ready? Here we go. And it reached the end point. Let's bring her back. It's going to stop automatically. I didn't do that. Pretty cool, isn't it?